We've seen in the recent years just an uptick with significant injury collisions as well as fatal collisions. And the main issue has been is that in the past 2 years, we really have been relying on just 2 of the 3 pillars to traffic safety. The 2 pillars that the city has been pushing hard on has been engineering and education, but what we've been missing has been the enforcement action.
Traffic, Javelin side of the uptown, be pulling over a white Toyota 4Runner. I'll get you plate here in a second.
And so we're just trying to get back to adding to the enforcement piece to that pillar for traffic safety. We try to target the areas that are heavily trafficked. We try to look for the areas that we've had a number of collisions. We work with our crime analyst who gives us that data to look at. We also look to where we've received complaints. We have a number of options that we have available to us, from speed trailers to armadillo units that capture data as far as driving habits, driving speed, any of those averages, and then we try to work those areas to change driving behavior. We want citizens to feel like we are out and about, that we are highly visible. That's our goal. If you're going to come to the city and drive poorly, we're probably going to contact you. And again, it's not a goal of harassing or anything like that. It's just trying to change driving behavior. It's not to say that every single person that we stop is going to get a ticket. There are cases where verbal warning might be appropriate, but that's really not our focus. We don't have quotas. We don't work on that. We don't target anyone for any specific violations or any style of car or anything like that. We just work on driving behavior. I think it's been well received. We heard from Chief Clary the other day from City Council. They've been pleased. Talking to a number of citizens that I made contact with, they're pleased to see the traffic cars out and about. I think Patrol has been happy as well, just handling, assisting out with their workload. So again, it's a collaborative effort that we've been trying to work with all of the partners that we come into contact with.